Welcome everybody. This is Miss Love Lady with Love Lady's Garden Projects and More. I just got off work, but I do have a quick project I need to put together for someone special. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put together a planter box. So pretty much a raised elevated garden bed for McNeil, so she can plant her spearmints, her peppermints, all her mints. So stay tuned and you can watch just how I do that. So whenever you're gonna do a project, a DIY, it doesn't you don't always have to use a lot of tools, but I'm gonna give you an example of some tools that you may need. Okay, so the first one, a hand drill, power drill, circular saw, if you're using boards, use the boards, as well as whatever screws you need. So, and your screws depends on the length and the depth of your board, as well as, now you can use a ruler, measuring tape. Today I just used this. Normally I have a ruler on my measuring tape, but because it's going to be a quick one, I'm going to use this here just to draw a line because I do need to cut it some more. I did have it cut before I came home, but it ended up needing to be cut a little more because it would have been too high. Also, a little Sharpie to draw your lines, or a pencil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut those boards to size, and I'm going to see if I can bring you up to see that. Hopefully I can. Maybe I put you over here so you don't be in my way, and I'm going to let you down. Hopefully you see this, you're able to see the project from start to finish. I might finish it today. If not, it'll be Sunday when I finish it. So first thing I need to do, I need to trim these boards because again, they're a little too long. So because I have a backup charger, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to put it up in here. And normally you would have safety glasses on, gloves, because I shouldn't have to do too much cutting. Don't do what I do, but I'm going to cut this here. I'm going to try to cut it hopefully one wide. So I got my guideline already drew on where I need to get it cut, and we're going to go from there. Oh, another thing, I'm sorry. You can wear earplugs. If you have any clamps to clamp it together so they don't move, then you can also use that. I do have some, but I left them in the house, so we're going to just carry on. Now, sometimes they don't cut exactly like you want them, so you'll have to go back, flip them over, and it's okay. That happens. Just make sure you have it lined up. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. First board cut. Second board. So sometimes you see that little ratchet edge. You can always go back over that. So now we have them laid out. They're cut out. This is how I do mine. When you're working by yourself, you have to be strategic. So I have them actually laid out on my patio table. So I'm going to screw those two around first, down first. And then I will be able to do the other side just like that. So you have to know what inch screws you're going to use. So right now, I'm going to use 1 1/4 inch. You can use 1 3/4. That'd probably be better. But this is what I have. I do have some 3-inch. Okay, guys, I've been trying to carry you along while I was building this planter box. Some of the footage didn't catch, and hopefully I can get it done without my tablet running out of space. So what we're doing now, I got both sides already ready to stack up. So what I'm going to do, I need support. So I'm going to have to use my fence while I put the sides together. So we got to be a strategic team, and hopefully I can make it through it, because if not, I'm going to scream. So hold on. So what I got here is 2 boards, 1 for each side. And once I get these up, then I can carry on. It'll be a lot easier for me to keep maneuvering with them. Okay? And before I do that, I'll probably go ahead on and put the other long boards on. So once I do the box part, I done closed it up. I don't have to worry about trying to get in there to screw everything. So I hope that makes sense. But that's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna do it a different way, but I'm gonna try it up my way. So okay, hold on. Well, guys, I was gonna take you through the process of me building this, but I was running out of space. But right now it's not completed, but I am building a box for McNeil, and this is where we at right now. So I still have to do the inside, do a little fine tuning, and she should be ready to go, if not tomorrow, Sunday. So, and I say that because mosquitoes are getting bad. I've been at work all day, and I wanted to get this here at least set up. So you guys probably will see this and see part 2 maybe when it's finished. Have a great day.